Try once more. Yes. And forward. No, don't do too much. Yes. Now try this, but do a little bit less. Yes. And trot. Very nice. Caress her. That was nice. Because if you provoke too much, she makes this with the hind legs and the front legs don't do enough. So walk, caress her and change rein. Was much better now. With horses like that and then go on again. Prepare it very well. Use outside rein, not too much left rein. Yes? When you feel the diagonal steps, they are coming, try to do it a little bit more in place. Yes, and forward then. Yes. Not too much inside rein, a little bit more right rein. Yes. Yes. And try to make her more attentive on your seat. Yes. And go on. Good. Good. The hands not too wide open because she should stay up with the head. So try again. Slow, slow, slow. Don't provoke too much. Wait a little. Yes. Stay, stay. Try on